So in my Figma file, I have chosen these social icons. There are two separate pieces, right? But when I'm importing them to my my app on Bubble, it's getting like unfocused, right? So here, first of all, there are two separate entities. If I try to export this, the preview shows me just the Facebook F and the circle, right? So what we can do in this case is just go on the left side of your Figma file and go to the group that's containing all the drawings inside, and that way check in the preview if it's exporting correctly. About the resolution, you have to check, instead of PNG, use SVG file. Okay, so we're gonna export this so Facebook SVG, don't forget SVG. So save, and we're gonna change this on my app here and change this PNG for the SVG file. So this is the file, and notice how it automatically updates and gets better. For the Instagram, I have the same SVG file, and let's go to the live preview and see if it worked. So that is for this now. I have a lot of tutorials coming for Bubble, so you should check that out and subscribe.